Most people open Claude, type a question, and get an answer. That's it. But there are 5 features built into Claude that completely change how it works, and almost nobody has turned them on. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are and how to set them up on your iPhone. First feature, memory, and this one alone is worth watching the whole video for. By default, every conversation you have with Claude starts from 0. It doesn't remember your name, your preferences, how you like things written, nothing. But there's a setting that changes all of that. Tap your profile in the bottom left, go to Settings, then Capabilities. You'll see an option called Generate Memory from Chat History. Turn it on. Now Claude starts building a memory of who you are, your tone, your preferences, your work style, and it applies all of that automatically to every future conversation, without you having to repeat yourself. You can also see exactly what Claude has remembered about you. Go to Settings, Capabilities, then Memory. Everything is listed right there. You can delete anything that's wrong or outdated. You can even add new memories manually. For example, if you tell Claude you prefer short answers with no bullet points, it remembers that forever. Every response from that point on will match your preference automatically. Feature 2, Projects. This is probably the most underused feature in Claude. A project is basically a dedicated workspace for a specific topic or goal. You create it once, give it instructions, upload relevant files, and Claude remembers all of it every time you open that project. Here's how to set one up on iPhone. Tap the menu, go to Projects, and create a new one. Give it a name. Let's say Travel Planning. Now add your instructions. For example, I'm planning a trip to Japan in August. I have a budget of $3,000. Always suggest budget-friendly options and include local experiences. From this point on, every conversation inside this project starts with that context already loaded. You don't have to re-explain anything. Claude already knows your budget, your destination, your preferences. You can create different projects for different areas of your life. Work emails, meal planning, fitness, home buying. Each one has its own separate context and instructions. Claude basically becomes a different assistant depending on which project you're in. Feature 3, Custom Style. This is the one that makes Claude actually sound like you. By default, Claude writes in its own voice. It's fine, but it sounds like AI wrote it. There's a way to change that completely. On iPhone, tap the menu and look for the Style option. From here, you can either describe the writing style you want or paste in examples of your own writing. Emails, messages, posts you've written before. Claude analyzes them and builds a style profile based on your actual tone, your sentence structure, your vocabulary. Once it's set, every response Claude gives matches that style automatically. Let me show you the difference. I'll ask Claude to write a short email with the default style. Clean, professional, but it reads like a template. Now I'll switch to my custom style and ask the same thing. Same information, completely different feel. It sounds like I actually wrote it. You can create multiple styles and switch between them. One for professional emails, one for casual messages, one for social media. Just select the one you need before you start typing and Claude adjusts instantly. If you use Claude for any kind of writing, emails, posts, work documents, this is the feature that stops you from having to rewrite everything Claude gives you. Feature 4, Connectors. This is where Claude stops being just a chat app and starts working with everything else on your phone. Connectors let you link Claude directly to the apps you already use. Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Notion, Slack. Once connected, Claude can actually read and interact with your real data. Here's how to set it up. Go to Settings, then Connectors, and tap Browse Connectors. You'll see all the available apps. Tap the one you want and authorize it. Takes about 30 seconds. Once Gmail is connected, for example, you can ask Claude, go through my inbox and find any emails that need a reply today. And it actually does it. It reads your real emails, summarizes what needs attention, and can even draft replies for you. With Google Calendar connected, you can ask, what does my week look like? Do I have any conflicts on Thursday? Claude checks your actual calendar and answers instantly. Find that document I was working on last week about the marketing plan. Claude searches your drive and pulls it up. You're not copying and pasting between apps anymore. Claude becomes the one place where everything connects. Feature 5, and this one is genuinely impressive. It's called Dispatch. Dispatch lets you trigger tasks on your desktop computer directly from your iPhone. Your computer does the work. You just tell it what to do from your phone. Here's how it works. First, make sure you have the Claude desktop app installed and open on your computer. Then on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Cowork, and turn on Dispatch. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you're on your commute and you need Claude to research something, compile a report, or organize files on your computer. You open Claude on your iPhone, type your task, and send it as a dispatch. Claude starts working on your desktop in the background. By the time you get home or sit back down at your desk, the work is done. Research compiled, files organized, document drafted, all waiting for you. I'll give you a real example. You're out running errands and you remember you need a summary of 3 articles for a meeting tomorrow. You dispatch the task from your phone. Claude opens your browser, reads the articles, compiles the key points into a document, and saves it to your drive. You didn't touch your computer once. This is the feature that makes Claude feel less like a chat app and more like an actual assistant that keeps working even when you step away. Here's the pro tip that ties all 5 of these together. Set everything up in this order: memory first, then your custom style, then create your first project, then connect your apps, then turn on dispatch last. Once all 5 are running together, Claude knows who you are, writes in your voice, remembers your context, has access to your real data, and can work from your phone while your computer does the heavy lifting. Most people use maybe 10% of what Claude can actually do. These 5 settings put you in a completely different category. So those are the 5 Claude features most iPhone users have never turned on: memory, projects, custom style, connectors, and dispatch. Each one makes Claude noticeably more useful on its own. But together they completely change how the app works for you. Next video, I'm breaking down how to use Claude Cowork on iPhone, because that feature deserves its own full video. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.